How many AI tools are you familiar with? Did you know there are hundreds of AI tools available, yet most people only know of one or two? Today, let's break down 7 AI tools that no one is talking about. We will uncover how these 7 hidden AI tools can significantly enhance your productivity. These tools have often been overlooked but hold immense potential to streamline your workflow and boost efficiency. Let's explore the unique features and benefits of each tool and learn how you can leverage them to stay ahead in today's fast-paced world. Let's begin. Tool number 1, Zapier, the automation powerhouse. Our first hidden gem is Zapier, an AI-powered automation platform that enables no-code automation across thousands of apps. With its vast array of features and integrations, Zapier caters to different roles, workflows, and company sizes. By automating repetitive tasks, Zapier frees up your time, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your work. Meet John, a busy entrepreneur who runs an e-commerce store. He wants to automate his business processes to save time and effort. John uses Zapier, a powerful automation tool, to connect different apps and streamline his workflow. Whenever a customer places an order on John's website, Zapier automatically creates a new customer entry in his CRM system. It also sends an email notification to John and updates his task management app with the order details. With Zapier, John can focus on growing his business while the automation takes care of repetitive tasks. Zapier is a game changer for John, making his life easier and his business more efficient. Tool number 2, Divi AI. Unleash your creativity. Next on our list is Divi AI, a powerful tool offered by Elegant Themes. Divi AI simplifies the design process by providing over 200 elements, 2,000 plus layouts, and a theme builder. This no-code design solution is an excellent choice for web design agencies, freelancers, and small business owners. Divi AI's marketing tools, workflow features, and integrations further enhance its appeal. Explore their website for examples and unleash your creativity with Divi AI. Here's an example of how Sarah, a web designer, uses Divi AI to streamline her website design process. Sarah loves using Divi AI because it saves her time and enhances her creativity. Whenever Sarah starts a new website project, she simply provides Divi AI with the desired style, layout, and content preferences. Divi AI then generates a fully customized website design based on Sarah's inputs, complete with responsive layouts, beautiful color schemes, and engaging content sections. This automation allows Sarah to quickly create stunning websites without the need for extensive manual design work. Divi AI has become an invaluable tool for Sarah, empowering her to deliver high-quality websites efficiently and effectively. Tool number 3, Canva, your creative companion. Our third hidden AI tool, Canva, is a versatile design platform that empowers users to create stunning visual content effortlessly. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered features, Canva simplifies graphic design, making it accessible to everyone. From social media posts to presentations, Canva offers a wide range of templates and customization options. Meet Lisa, a social media manager for a digital marketing agency. Lisa is responsible for creating visually appealing graphics for her clients' social media channels. With the help of Canva AI, Lisa is able to streamline her design process and create stunning visuals in no time. Using Canva AI, Lisa can upload her clients' brand assets, such as logos, colors, and fonts, and Canva AI intelligently analyzes these elements to provide design recommendations. It suggests layouts, font pairings, and color combinations that align with the client's brand. This saves Lisa a significant amount of time and effort in manually choosing and experimenting with design elements. Additionally, Canva AI offers a range of templates specifically designed for different social media platforms. Lisa can select a template that suits her client's needs and customize it further based on their preferences. Canva AI even suggests relevant images and graphics that can be added to the design, making the process even more efficient. With Canva AI, Lisa can create professional and eye-catching social media graphics that align with her client's brand identity, all while saving time and maintaining consistency across different campaigns. It has become an indispensable tool in her design workflow, allowing her to focus more on strategy and content creation rather than spending hours on design iterations. Tool number 4, Notion, the ultimate productivity hub. Notion, our fourth hidden AI tool, is a powerful all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and more. With its sleek interface and AI-driven capabilities, Notion enables seamless collaboration and organization. Create custom workflows, manage projects, and streamline your work processes with ease. Whether you're an individual or a team, Notion is an invaluable tool for staying productive and organized. Jill, a freelance writer, uses Notion to streamline her workflow and stay organized. She creates a workspace in Notion with different pages for article ideas, research notes, and client communication. When she gets a new writing assignment, she adds it to her task list and sets deadlines using Notion's built-in calendar. Jill can easily collaborate with clients by sharing specific pages or entire workspaces. Notion's flexible layout allows her to customize her workspace according to her needs, adding tables, Kanban boards, or galleries to visualize her progress. With Notion, Jill stays on top of her writing projects and maintains a clutter-free workspace. Tool number 5, Monday.com, Collaboration Redefined. Monday.com is a collaboration platform that leverages AI to simplify project management. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Monday.com facilitates effective team collaboration, task tracking, and progress monitoring. Its automation capabilities and integrations with popular apps make it a go-to tool for teams seeking enhanced productivity. James, a project manager, starts his day by opening Monday.com, his go-to project management platform. He logs in and sees an overview of all the ongoing projects, deadlines, and team members involved. He notices that one task is due today, so he assigns it to Sarah and sets a reminder. He then checks the progress of another task and realizes it's falling behind schedule. James creates a new task, assigns it to a team member who has the bandwidth, and adds a priority label. He also updates the project timeline and leaves a comment for the team. With Monday.com, James efficiently manages his projects and keeps everyone on track. Tool number 6, Evernote, your digital notebook. Evernote, our sixth hidden AI tool, is a digital notebook that helps you capture ideas, organize thoughts, and stay on top of your tasks. With its AI-driven search capabilities and cross-platform accessibility, Evernote ensures that your notes are always at your fingertips. From personal to professional use, Evernote is a versatile tool that enables you to declutter your mind and boost productivity. Let's go back to Sarah. Sarah starts her day by opening Evernote, her go-to note-taking app. She creates a new note for her article ideas and jots down any fresh concepts that come to mind. As she researches, she clips web articles and saves them to Evernote using the browser extension. Sarah also uses Evernote to organize her writing materials, creating notebooks for different projects and adding tags for easy searching. When she attends conferences or meetings, she takes notes directly in Evernote, which automatically syncs across all her devices. With Evernote's powerful search functionality and user-friendly interface, Sarah effortlessly keeps track of her ideas and references, boosting her productivity and creativity. Tool number 7, Otter AI, transcription made easy. Our final hidden gem is Otter AI, an AI-powered transcription tool that converts your spoken words into written text. Whether you're in a meeting, attending a lecture, or conducting an interview, Otter AI accurately transcribes your recordings. Its real-time collaboration feature allows multiple users to edit transcripts simultaneously, making it an invaluable tool for note-taking, content creation, and accessibility. Let's say you're a journalist who needs to conduct an interview with a source. Instead of taking notes manually or recording the interview and transcribing it later, you can use Otter AI to record and transcribe the conversation in real time. Simply open the Otter AI app on your phone or computer, start a new recording, and begin the interview. Otter AI will automatically transcribe the interview as it happens, allowing you to focus on the conversation and ask follow-up questions instead of worrying about taking detailed notes. Once the interview is over, you can review the transcription and use it to write your article. With Otter AI, you can save time and stay organized by having a reliable and accurate transcription of your interviews. That wraps up our exploration of these 7 hidden AI tools that can revolutionize the way you work. From automation and design to collaboration and organization, each tool offers unique benefits to boost your productivity. So why not give them a try and unlock your full potential? Hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment.